Hi, San Antonio and fellow Texans. My name's Manuel Rubio with Miracle Body and Paint. And today we're going to go into something that's near and dear to my heart and most of you all as well. And that's just helping each other, doing the right thing for each other in whatever services we may provide, or as a neighbor, or as a brother, just being kind and compassionate for each other, right? It's how we're naturally brought up to be. It's the Holy Spirit in our lives that tells us, hey, serve, be kind, and be forgiving, and provide, right? So that's really the foundation of who I am and how I function and what I do. And as you may know, some of you, I run and operate Miracle Body and Paint, and I've done that for 40 years now. I'm celebrating my 41st year this year, 2026. From the beginning, I wanted to work with good products, provide good pricing, excellent value, great warranties, everything that a consumer would want, right? Everything that I would want for myself. So thanks for watching this episode. I hope you learned a little bit more. I hope I'm educating some of you all some and providing good information for you all. Stay tuned for the next episode, and we hope to teach some more.